Yes. Hello and welcome to another video. Welcome to the channel. Before I go on holiday next week, I just wanted to check in and give you a quick update. The last few weeks I have been working on a new track. It's called Bring the Horizon. And when I come back from my holidays, which will be the beginning of August, I'm going to do a complete walkthrough of the whole process. So how I did the writing, how I did the mixing, how I did the mastering, and have some thoughts on why you should or should not do your own master. And if you do it yourself, how you approach it yourself, what's important. So I think there's a lot to discover, a lot to learn. Next week, the 28th, Bring the Horizon will be released on all major streaming platforms, and I also made like a super nice lyric video for TikTok and YouTube. And I just wanted to give you a little sneak preview. It's a 3-part, very short and powerful song, and it can be played in a loop. It's about answering to your calling, even if it seems like daunting, like nothing you ever did before, right? Let's jump into the DAW, and I'll show you one of the favorite parts of the song. Yeah. Be the arms that pull me closer to your heart. Sounds be my shelter, be the voice that calls me out. Alright, that's all I got for now. Stay tuned and subscribe if you didn't already, and I'll see you in the coming weeks. Relvoet out.